Welcome to Cosplay Coffee. I had a different video planned for this week, but this was kind of trending on YouTube, and I figured it was a good time to practice my makeup skills. If you haven't heard of Alyson Tabbitha, she is an extremely talented cosplayer and makeup artist. Literally, I don't know how she does it. She's done anything from Jack Sparrow, Wonder Woman, some Overwatch characters, and every single one of them she just nails. She does them spot on. The makeup, the costumes, everything. I actually remember seeing Alyson's Jack Sparrow cosplay back in like 2012 before I even knew what cosplay was. I saw it on Pinterest and I was like, damn, that's cool. Another reason why Alyson seems super awesome as not only a cosplayer is because she's also a pug owner. This is Lady Pug. So any cosplayer that also loves pugs is awesome. I've only been cosplaying for not even 2 years. I've been dabbling a lot in SFX makeup, and I think I'm fairly decent at making cosplays. But one skill I haven't practiced is transformation makeup, or getting myself to look exactly like a character that I'm cosplaying. And I was also never really interested in makeup until I got into cosplay, clearly. So I decided to do her Elizabeth Swann tutorial. I related a lot to Elizabeth Swann when Pirates of the Caribbean first came out because she had dirty blonde hair, I had dirty blonde hair. It was like we're the same person. She might be brunette, but whatever. Anyway, so I'm gonna follow her tutorial and we'll see how this goes. So, let's get started.
First, I'm starting with foundation to give myself an even skin tone and a blank canvas to work with.
Okay, so foundation. I'm barely certain this is the wrong color for me.
White powder to highlight features like my nose.
Alright, I just got this stuff. That's another thing about Alyson is that she uses affordable makeup like e.l.f., which is what I have, so. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, eyebrows.
Parts of this look. So I'm going to fill mine in with a dark brown liner pencil and make them much fuller, longer, and more defined than my natural brows.
Mine are so weird. This is already so much work. I feel like these aren't really arched the way mine are. They're kind of more straight. Like, how do I get them there? We'll come back to those.
With the same brown eyeshadow, I am contouring my nose to make it look shorter and higher at the tip.
Tip, she said. Whoa.
Higher at the tip.
Okay, after she does that, she kind of contours the sides of her nose. So, I actually have contour. Maybe I should just use that. Nah. Oh my god, this can't be right. I do not look like this.
After that, I am dusting on some blush and contouring my cheekbones with
Alright, blush. I have some, literally never used it. Is this how you put on blush? I don't know.
I am using a dark brown eyeliner and drawing it slightly under the lash line until I hit the middle of my eye. Then I fill in the waterline to change the shape.
Genius. I had a brown pencil. Where did you go? The law. Gosh.
I just kind of dropped it a little here, so. Still don't have it inside.
Gosh.
Then Then I take my dark brown eyeshadow and apply it to my eyelids to make my eyes appear more deep set.
This is the thing that gets me with makeup, is because of all the different face and eye shapes. Like, she has very prominent eyelids so that the eyeshadow will show and I think make a difference in the way her eyes appear, but mine are very hooded, so I might have to try a different technique. I kind of wish I didn't put the dark all over my lid because it's way, way too dark. Let's see if I can fix it. Maybe if I didn't have this gigantic brush. It kind of looks like she's just dabbing the eyeliner on. What happened to the line? It just is gone. Okay, I think she went all the way over on the top and only halfway through with the eyeliner on the bottom. This is really hard to do. Everything's on my lap. Hold on. Things are getting serious.
After that, I am using a white shiny highlighter and gently dusting it on features that I want more defined, such as the nose, jawline, above the lips, and the brow bone.
Heard. I actually have Illuminator. Hopefully that's the same thing.
I'm using a lip stain to overdraw my upper lip to make it appear fuller.
So I actually went out and bought that lip stain. And I have so many lipsticks that I feel like it was just a waste of money. I already bought it. It's the wrong color, I can already tell. Nope, nope. I've got enough. What color looks like that color? In case you couldn't tell, I kind of just piled on the highlighter because I didn't know what I was doing. %100% look like a clown. Lighter powder. Add glitter in it. Well, this is stupid now. You can't have glitter.
Curl my eyelashes and apply mascara, skipping false lashes to try to keep it minimal.
Alright, those little clampy things I don't have, for one, and two, kind of scares me. So I'm gonna skip that and just do mascara. No. I just realized she doesn't even make weird faces when she puts on mascara. Like, she's been doing this for a while. So I'm actually not going to do a wig because I'm fairly certain she has blonde wig that she uses a whole dyeing technique for. And I'm already blonde with some dark roots, so I'm just going to use my natural hair and kind of style it the way that Keira Knightley does in Pirates of the Caribbean. But I have used this method that she uses in the video before for a number of my wigs, and it's such a great and easy and cheap way to alter your wigs. This one I'm especially proud of. Like, this is a Marilyn Monroe wig, and I gave her some roots. And my Hades wig that I wanted different blue tones to. And as for the cosplay, again, don't really have time or money right now to make this cosplay, although it is something I would like to make. So what I'm going to do instead is turn this shirt into a version of the dress she makes. So, gonna go do the hair and then do the shirt. Okay, I'm back with my hair all did up. I think she does something like this. Something about that. I know my hair is too light for Elizabeth Swan, but anyway. Come on, hair. Work with me. Okay, so now I'm gonna go work on the shirt. I'm gonna fix this, clean this up a little bit, and we'll see how the whole thing turns out. This is the finished shirt. Had a hard time figuring this out because apparently I don't know the concept of shoelacing as good as I thought I did. And this is the whole thing. The hair and the shirt. I don't know, I don't think it turned out as bad as I thought it was going to. Did an okay job on the nose. The lips look a little ridiculous. Still look like a clown. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. 1 out of 5 coffee emojis. How well did I do? Like I said, I'm not a makeup professional, but I do have a ton of special effects, looks, and cosplays coming for you guys here on Cosplay Coffee. I practiced these all last year and I'm so excited about them. And I'll still be doing cosplay parodies and cosplayer interviews as convention season rolls around. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video if you want to see more cosplay tutorials from me. And also be sure to subscribe to Alyson. She is so talented, it blows my mind. I also have links to all her social media in the description below, including her new Patreon. And that's it, guys. Cheers. And I'll see you next time. So I don't have the gold coin pendant that she does in the movies, but I do have Hermione's time turner. Same thing, right? Let's see if we can get some like slow-mo hair blowing. Just pretend this is it. Also, I know what I did wrong. My lips are way too dark. I know, don't say anything.